Don't sneeze while watching this video. Not going to lie, this challenge is very easy. All you have to do is not sneeze while watching this video. But these rules should make it harder. Here are the rules. Skipping the video. Speeding up the video. Leaving the video equals to automatic fail. Still yet to sneeze. Here is another video that will definitely make you sneeze.
This way.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you fail this challenge. If you pass this challenge, I will settle for a like and show me your feedback in the comment below.